Walking into a repair shop and seeing a technician staring at a tiny flickering screen from 20 years ago is usually a bad sign for your car and your wallet. Most of those cheap plastic code readers you find at the local parts store are just glorified guessing machines. They give you a vague code and leave you to figure out the rest. That is why seeing a massive, rugged 10-inch tablet hooked up to a dashboard feels like a complete shift in power. This is not just a tool for reading errors. It is a full-blown diagnostic command center running on a modern interface that feels as smooth as a high-end smartphone. When you plug this into a modern vehicle, you are not just looking at the engine. You are peering into every single electronic brain the car has. We are talking about the transmission, the anti-lock brakes, the airbag systems, and even the climate control. It allows you to dig into the actual data instead of just swapping parts and hoping for the best. One of the most impressive tricks it pulls off is something called bidirectional control. That sounds technical, but it basically means the tablet can talk back to the car. You can sit in the driver's seat and tell the car to fire the fuel injectors or turn on the cooling fans just by tapping the screen. It is like having a direct line to the vehicle's nervous system. If you think a fan is dead, you trigger it manually. If it spins, you know the motor is fine and the problem is elsewhere. This saves hours of tearing apart wires and plastic covers. For the heavy hitters in the shop, this device even handles control unit programming. Usually that kind of deep-level access is locked away behind a dealership's expensive proprietary equipment. Having that capability in a portable unit means you can adapt new components or update vehicle computers right there in the bay. It even supports those tricky new communication protocols found in cars made after 2020. Many older scanners just go dark when they meet a brand new car, but this system is built for the future. You also get a stable wired connection. Some people love wireless, but in a busy shop with interference, a solid cable is often the smarter choice for reliability during a critical update. The hardware is built like a tank. It has a bright screen you can actually see in a sunny shop and a battery that will not quit halfway through a job. Then there is the topology mapping. It gives you a visual map of how every module in the car talks to the others. If a communication line goes down, you can see exactly where the break is on a digital diagram. It turns a nightmare electrical hunt into a manageable task. Now, this is definitely a serious investment. If you just want to turn off a loose gas cap light once a year, this is way more than you need. It is built for the person who lives under a hood or runs a professional business. It handles oil resets, battery registration, and steering calibrations like it is nothing. It is a heavy-duty solution for people who take car repairs seriously and want to stop the guessing games forever. This is about having dealer-level power in the palm of your hand without the dealer-level gatekeeping. You are looking at a tool that bridges the gap between a DIY enthusiast and a master technician. Every time a new warning light pops up, the stress usually comes from the unknown. This tablet takes that unknown and turns it into a clear, actionable plan. When you know exactly which module is failing and why, the repair becomes the easy part. It is the searching that kills your productivity. This device changes that.